Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will be guided through setting up a passcode and then presented with your unique recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so pay close attention to the next steps. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Carefully write down all 12 words in the exact order they appear. Do not take screenshots or store it digitally. Find a secure, private, and offline place to keep this phrase, like a safe or a locked drawer. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is secure, it's time to add some funds. You can receive cryptocurrency by tapping the Receive button and sharing your wallet address. To send assets, simply tap Send and enter the recipient's address. Trust Wallet also allows you to swap different cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Plus, explore decentralized applications using the built-in D-app browser. To further enhance your wallet's security, enable additional features like a passcode, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Regularly backing up your wallet, especially after any significant changes, is also a smart practice. For more great tips and to find some amazing deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.